Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download Kheloyar app on your device. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open a web browser on your PC, and there you need to search for Kheloyar app. And now from the search result, you have to tap on the second link, kheloyar.net APK free download. Then you will taken to this type of page where you will be able to see download APK button. Now tap on that button, and there again tap on this download icon next to the app. Now you can tap on open button, and then a pop-up box will appear on your screen. Now you have to tap on install option. And there you go, you have successfully downloaded and installed Kheloyar app on your device. Now here you will be able to see Kheloyar app on your home screen like this. Now that's all it takes to download Kheloyar app on your device. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.